They have a warm place. If you have an animal, whatever type, hopefully they have a warm place tonight. It's going to get cold.
Yes, and this is the last night. You really have to watch out for that. No more freezes for the next 14 days, at least. That's what it says on the 14-day forecast.
Okay,
but
that's good news.
Tonight it's going to get really cold. So no ice, no rain. That's the good news. Just going to get really cold. And today was also a pretty windy day. The winds aren't going to be as strong for your Sunday, but it is going to be colder tomorrow morning than it was this morning. All right, take a live look outside. It's a little grayish out there. We did see a sunny day today, though. Now, we do have that weather impact alert in effect for tonight. Once again, through your Sunday morning, wind chills are going to be pretty chilly. So bundle up, protect your 4Ps, people, plants, pets, and pipes. All right, so we do have a freeze warning for our friends down south and to the east. That cold weather advisory has been lifted. So no longer in Bexar County, but our friends around Cotulla, Tilden, Victoria, they're going to be under a freeze warning tonight. And if I zoom out, you'll notice how far it stretches into East Texas and all throughout the East Coast. So they're really going to be feeling the chilly weather tonight. Now, as far as tomorrow, just bundle up. It's going to be a chilly day, but thankfully no rain is in the forecast. We are expecting some rain in the middle of next week finally, but not for this weekend. Take a live look outside. 46 degrees this evening. It feels like 41 degrees. Winds are still a little breezy from the east at 10 miles per hour, so it's chilly out there. We did register 51 degrees today. Average is about 65, so that's about 14 degrees below where we should be for today, and our overnight low was just 2 degrees above freezing this morning. We should be around 42. So tomorrow we are definitely going to be below freezing. Right now wind chills are 39 degrees in Fredericksburg. We've got 44 in Kerrville, 40 in Boerne, and 33 in San Marcos. All right, so look at how our temperatures are just going to be dropping tonight. Going to be below freezing starting around 1 a.m. You'll notice 20s by your 4 o'clock hour. So this is what it looks like for your Sunday morning. Lots of 20s, and then we'll jump to the 40s by 10 a.m. And it is going to be a sunny day though tomorrow for your Sunday. Thankfully, it's not going to be a cloudy day. Afternoon high of 56 degrees, but our morning low will be 26 degrees. And then by Monday, warmer, a little cloudier, and we'll be back to the 60s and then 70s already by Tuesday. So we're going to be rebounding very quickly. Right now on our radar, not tracking anything. It's been a dry weekend. We do have some rain chances finally Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, but you can wash your cars this weekend if you'd like to do that. All right, let's take a look at 14-day forecast. So we've got a weather impact alert in effect for tomorrow morning. 26 degrees. Once again, we'll warm up to the 50s in the afternoon. 60s on Monday, 70s on Tuesday with a chance of rain, and we'll stick to the 60s over the weekend.